Welcome guys. Welcome to my Leetcode solving section 1461. Check if the string contains all binary codes of size k. So given a binary string s and the integer k, return true if every binary code of length k is a substring of s. Otherwise, it return false. Okay, so 0, right? So you go through it, you get 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, and the 4 of them already show up. So just return true. Okay. And at least one also 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So true. And at least it's true. This is false. Okay, so this idea using the so-called rolling hash. So the idea is that okay, so this is the trivial case, right? If the 2 to the k is greater than length s, then there's no way that because given s, you only has s1 minus, substring of length. Oh, sorry, you can prove that you only have length s minus k or something. Substring, right? So if the 2 to the k greater than length s, then you immediately return false. Okay, otherwise you create a dictionary and then you go through each substring. Let's say s I to k minus I. You go through 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, and you just count them to be 1. Okay, so if you do this, then you at most have 2 to a, you need 2 to a k, right? So if you go through it, then the length of your answer value is exactly 2 to a k. That means you get an answer. Because you at most has 2 to the k, right? So you have more than 2 to the k, and then you need to check it. So this is just definitely linear time if you're just using a dictionary. Yeah, so this technique is called rolling hash. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so yeah, that's it. See you guys next videos.